Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a screen if it goes black randomly on Windows 11 PC. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, or first option right here, you gotta try to force shut down your computer. Okay, so just go ahead and find the power button, hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds, and then it will just eventually turn off your PC. Okay, so once it's turned off, leave it for about a minute and then go ahead and turn it back on and check if it helps. If that won't work, go ahead and look at your keyboard, okay? And then press these keys. Windows, hold it, hold Control, and then hold Shift as well, plus the B key, okay? Again, Windows, Control, Shift, B. Hold these four simultaneously for about 10 seconds and you may hear a beep and the screen should flicker while it refreshes. Okay, go ahead and check if it helps. Now, if that still will work, go ahead over to your search bar right here and find Power Options. Okay, now click on Edit Power Plan. And then in here, make sure that Turn Off Display is set to Never. Okay, click on Save Changes, and then make sure that you are not using the Power Saver plan. Make sure that you use Balanced or Ultimate, okay, or High Performance right here. Select it. Now you can go ahead and click on Change right here. Make sure that again it is set to Never. Now close this one, and after that you should be good to go. That's how easy it is to fix a screen if it goes blank randomly on a Windows 11 PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.